Hi buddies, welcome back. Today I want to show you how you can turn off the vibration and haptic feedback on your Samsung Galaxy A05s. For that you want to go to your settings and here you want to go to sounds and vibration, and then you have some settings you can set here in general. We have the system sound and here we can turn off the dialing keypad, Samsung keypad, charging and screen lock sound. If we go back again, we have a system of vibrations and you can turn off that in general to have like a fully mute phone. If you leave the vibration on, you can also set the vibration intensity here. So that's totally up to you if you like that or not. And you can of course turn that off as well. So if you've done that, you can just go back and use your phone as normal. So that's just really quick and easy how you can turn off the vibration and haptic feedback on your Samsung Galaxy A05s. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.